This is Leroy and I heading back upstream after the portage. You can see we make this corner, a little bird playing, catching Leroy's attention. And as I come around this corner, right up here, Leroy spots a fish in the water. And I don't really know why or how, but you'll see him really cue up on it. And then Leroy decides to try and go fishing. Let's just say he hasn't perfected it yet.
Don't you stray away from real.
This is Leroy becoming one with the fish, as you can see him right there. He's like, "Where'd you go, friend?" He has no idea.
As the water's dripping down, you'll go and find your face.
All it takes is me stabilizing the boat real quick, and then Leroy's able to jump back in. We've done enough times now. It's almost becoming second nature.
I know you want to know, but not knowing is what makes you whole. And we'll walk into the valley. We'll have a pipe on my will play.
It's actually really hard right turns. He actually has to back
And
up.
you're looking for some
downstream and upstream. I knew he was going to catch him on upstream. It was a fun corner to play with.
That's where the gallows wait. When the winds come, you'll go and build your house. Your wife will bear you children, a son, two daughters. How will you keep the walls out? And we'll walk into the valley. We'll have a pipe and we'll play. And you're looking for some answers, but that's where the gallows wait.
Coming up is a tree I warned you guys about. He took it well in the lake, coming down, way back up. He's really fighting up the current, trying to get the boat in the right spot. Ended up not being able to make it. Boom! Broke the mountain camera, but I was able to fix it. It all worked out. Once I lose myself,
You're quick to spill it, you a dog. Beaten by defeat, your head hangs between your knees. Driven mad with rage, you go, you burn it all down. And we'll walk into the valley.
able to sneak just underneath the right. I slid under there. It's kind of funny, those railroad ties or whatever just would catch the edge of the being tucked underneath. We made it
And you
this fun.
found yourself
Now let's back out to
answers, but still the gallows wait. yourself no answers. You have only taken a break.
I do believe this is where Leroy and I found the headwaters of the stream. We were able to go up here, but the challenge was that the next bridge we came to, we couldn't go underneath. I could have went over, but it really wasn't worth it. I didn't know where it went. So we had to turn back around and finish off the circle into the lake. It was a great paddle.